As technology advances, 3D printers have become more accessible and cost-effective, attracting hobbyists, professionals, and businesses alike. To successfully embark on your 3D printing journey, you'll need 4 essential components. Number 1. A good 3D printer capable of crafting objects of reasonable size with efficient speed. Number 2. A sturdy and precisely calibrated print bed is crucial for ensuring a stable foundation. Number 3. A dependable extruder to efficiently melt filament for seamless printing. And number 4. Slicer software, a crucial tool that translates your designs into printable instructions. Typically, all 4 components come bundled with the printer from manufacturer. With the wide variety of 3D printers available, choosing the right one can be challenging. To help you make an informed decision, we've compiled a list of the top 6 3D printers for mid-level users in the $300 to $600 range, highlighting their key features and providing essential considerations to guide you toward the best choice. Number 6. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max. The Kobra 2 Max is an exceptional choice for mid-level 3D printing enthusiasts, offering a blend of advanced features and user-friendly functionality at a competitive price. One of its most impressive attributes is its large build volume of 420 by 420 by 500 millimeters, making it ideal for printing sizable models and complex parts without the need for multiple segments. The printer excels in speed, boasting a maximum print speed of 500 millimeters per second and an acceleration rate of 10,000 millimeters. This allows for rapid production of prints, significantly reducing waiting times while maintaining quality. The high-flow direct drive extruder, capable of reaching temperatures up to 260 degrees Celsius, further enhances its versatility by enabling the use of a wide range of filaments, including those that require higher temperatures. Equipped with an upgraded cooling system, the Kobra 2 Max ensures efficient heat dissipation, contributing to consistent print quality and reliability. The 4.3-inch colored LCD touchscreen provides a clear and intuitive interface, making it easy to navigate settings and control the printing process. One of the standout features is the Levi Q2 49-point automatic bed leveling system, which simplifies the setup process and ensures that the first layer is always perfectly aligned. Combined with a heated bed that can reach up to 90 degrees Celsius, this feature enhances print adhesion and minimizes the risk of warping, especially when working with larger models. At $599, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max offers substantial value. Its advanced features, coupled with the large build volume and high-speed capabilities, make it a compelling choice for mid-level users. Number 5. The Creality K1C. Creality K1C printer stands out as a robust and feature-rich option for mid-level users, boasting a combination of high performance and user-friendly attributes. Its rigid metal frame ensures stability and durability, which is crucial for producing consistent and high-quality prints. The enclosed heated chamber, alongside a PI flexible bed capable of auto bed level and reaching up to 100 degrees Celsius, provides excellent temperature control, reducing warping and enhancing print quality. Its nozzle offset auto bed leveling feature ensures precise calibration, significantly reducing the setup time and improving the first layer adhesion. One of the key highlights of the K1C is its advanced extrusion system. The tri-metal extruder, designed to handle temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, minimizes clogging and broadens the range of compatible filaments, including carbon fiber, allowing for versatile and reliable printing experiences. For speed, the K1C is impressive with a remarkable print speed of 600 millimeters per second and a printing acceleration of 20,000 millimeters, making it one of the fastest printers in its class. K1C is complemented by the AI camera, which not only monitors system operation but also facilitates time-lapse video recording, providing users with valuable insights and the ability to share their printing progress. The build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters is ample for most mid-level projects, while the 4.3-inch touchscreen monitor offers an intuitive interface for easy operation. Powered by the versatile Clipper firmware and supported by popular slicers like Cura, Orca, and Prusa, the K1C ensures compatibility and flexibility. Priced at $599, the Creality K1C offers a compelling package of speed, precision, and advanced features, making it a worthwhile investment for mid-level 3D printing enthusiasts looking to elevate their printing capabilities. Number 4. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro. The Adventurer 5M Pro is an impressive 3D printer that offers a compelling array of features tailored for mid-level enthusiasts seeking reliability and versatility. The PI flexible build plate capable of reaching the bed temperature up to 110 degrees Celsius is crucial for quality printing. Its automatic bed leveling through nozzle offset significantly reduces setup time, making it user-friendly even for those less experienced with 3D printing. Navigating the printer is straightforward with its 4.3-inch touchscreen monitor, providing an intuitive interface that simplifies adjustments and monitoring. The direct drive extruder is capable of reaching temperatures up to 280 degrees Celsius, allowing for a broad range of materials. The fully enclosed design, combined with an air filtration system, ensures a safe and clean environment. The printer supports a remarkable acceleration of 20,000 millimeters and print speed of 600 millimeters per second, significantly reducing print times without compromising quality. While the built-in camera offers real-time monitoring, adding a layer of convenience for remote supervision. The quiet operation is a notable advantage for home or office use, minimizing disruption. A build volume of 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters provides ample space for various projects. The printer comes with filament runout sensor to prevent print failures and material waste. Priced at $599, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro is a well-rounded 3D printer that excels in ease of use, versatility, and performance, making it an excellent choice for mid-level buyers looking to expand their printing capabilities. Number 3. The FLSun V400. The FLSun V400 3D printer is a versatile option for mid-level buyers, offering a range of features to enhance your printing experience. Its steel spring PI sheet and 25-point smart calibration auto bed leveling ensure easy setup and reliable adhesion. With a bed temperature capability of 110 degrees Celsius, prints come out consistently precise. Equipped with a 4mm volcano-style direct drive extruder capable of reaching 300 degrees Celsius, the V400 handles various materials effortlessly. Its all-metal body ensures durability and stability. The V400's generous build volume of 300 by 300 by 410 millimeters accommodates large projects, while features like filament detection and compatibility with popular slicers like Cura, Orca, and Prusa enhance user convenience. Impressively, it boasts a print speed of 600 millimeters per second and a printing acceleration of 20,000 millimeters, ensuring swift and efficient printing without compromising quality. The inclusion of Clipper firmware further enhances performance and reliability. The 7-inch IPS ultra-high-resolution touchscreen monitor provides an intuitive interface for easy control, while its Delta-style architecture ensures smooth and precise prints. Priced at $589, the FLSun V400 offers exceptional value for its extensive feature set, making it an ideal choice for mid-level buyers seeking performance, reliability, and versatility in their 3D printing endeavors. Number 2. The Creality Ender 3v3. The Creality Ender 3v3 offers an enticing package for mid-level buyers, blending advanced features with affordability. Crafted with a sturdy all-metal frame, this printer ensures stability and durability, promising consistent performance throughout its lifespan. Navigating the printer's functionalities is a breeze, with its 4.3-inch HD-color touchscreen interface. Users can effortlessly control settings and monitor progress with clarity and ease, enhancing the overall printing experience. Ender 3v3 boasts a bed temperature capability of 110 degrees Celsius. Combined with automatic bed leveling, achieving optimal print adhesion and precision is virtually effortless. This printer supports popular slicer software like Orca, Cura, and Prusa, catering to diverse user preferences and workflows. With a print speed of up to 600 millimeters per second and an acceleration of 10,000 millimeters, it excels in efficiency without compromising on output quality. Equipped with a Core XC dual-gear direct extruder, the Ender 3v3 ensures smooth filament feeding and precise extrusion, even at high temperatures of up to 300 degrees Celsius. With a spacious build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters, it accommodates a wide range of project sizes. Moreover, the inclusion of features like filament runout sensor and power loss recovery adds further convenience and reliability to the printing process, safeguarding against potential interruptions and wastage. Priced at $419, the Creality Ender 3v3 strikes an impressive balance between performance and affordability, making it a compelling choice for mid-level users seeking a dependable 3D printing solution. Number 1. The QIDI Q1 Pro. The QIDI Q1 Pro 3D printer is a robust choice for mid-level enthusiasts seeking a reliable and feature-rich machine. With its fully metal and enclosed structure, the Q1 exudes durability and stability in your 3D printing endeavors. One standout feature of the Q1 is its impressive build chamber temperature of 60 degrees Celsius, coupled with a magnetic sheet capable of withstanding temperatures up to 120 degrees Celsius. Equipped with dual sensor auto bed leveling and independent dual Z motors, the Q1 delivers higher precision and stability, guaranteeing the perfect first layer for every print. The addition of an automatic nozzle cleaner further enhances printing quality and convenience. The multi-metal hot end extruder of the Q1 Pro allows for temperatures of up to 350 degrees Celsius, facilitating smooth and reliable filament flow even with challenging materials including carbon fiber and glass fiber. This versatility, combined with a print speed of 600 millimeters per second and acceleration of 20,000 millimeters, offers impressive performance across various printing tasks. Powered by Clipper firmware and supported by popular slicers like Cura, Prusa, and Orca, the Q1 Pro provides a seamless printing experience with ample customization options. Features such as filament runout sensor and filament tangle detection ensure uninterrupted printing sessions, while the inclusion of a 1080p camera enables remote monitoring and time-lapse video of the operation. With a generous build volume of 245 by 245 by 240 millimeters, the QIDI Q1 offers ample space for a variety of projects. Priced at $499, the QIDI Q1 Pro offers exceptional value for its feature set, making it an attractive choice for mid-level buyers looking to elevate their 3D printing capabilities without breaking the bank. Those were the top 6 mid-level 3D printers. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy printing!